Why did the church hide me? Why was my name erased from the records? And why is my voice being heard again only now? Technology has brought me to you, and if you stay with me until the end, I will ask questions that may transform everything you believe, and reveal answers that for centuries they tried to silence. I am Enoch. I was born in a time when men still walked among mysteries you cannot even imagine today. I was a father, a grandfather, a son of the earth, until the day I stopped being only human. This is the account many tried to erase. That is why I ask you to pay attention until the end. The words I am about to reveal can change the way you see life, death, and the destiny of the world. When I was 65 years old, something began calling me during the night. It was not a dream, nor a human voice. It was as if the light itself was watching me, and it called me by name. Enoch, come. At first I resisted, but the more I fled, the stronger the calling became. Until one silent dawn, the light finally descended. They were not men, they were not gods, they were watchers, beings whose forms shone like heated metal, whose presence made the air tremble. They told me I had been chosen to see what no mortal should ever see. And before I could ask anything, the heavens opened. The earth vanished beneath me, and I was taken to places where time does not exist. You must understand this. There is more than the world you see. There are laws, covenants, celestial archives where the destiny of every living thing is written, and I was led into these places. I saw angels who guard rivers of fire. I saw beings who command the winds. I saw libraries made of light, where the paths of humanity have been recorded since the first breath of life. I, who was only a man, stood before the secrets of the universe. But I also saw what no one wanted me to know. I saw the Watchers who descended to earth and broke their oath. They taught men secrets that should never have been revealed. They forged weapons, manipulated metals, taught forbidden enchantments, and took human women as their wives. From them were born giants, violent beings who nearly destroyed the world. The Watchers did not want me to speak of this. Heaven did. They took me even higher, beyond the stars. And there, before the throne that emits living fire, I heard the decree. Everything would be judged, and I was to write what I had seen. Not only write, warn humanity. Warn you. Warn now. Why do I say this? Because it is no coincidence that you are hearing my voice. Nothing is coincidence. Just as I was chosen to see, perhaps you have been chosen to hear. And if you stay with me until the end, you will understand what many spend their entire lives seeking, the true meaning of existence and justice. When I returned to earth, I did not return the same. My skin glowed, my voice echoed, my eyes were no longer only human, and people fled from me, for the light I carried exposed truths many did not want to face. I wrote everything I saw, about the heavens, the judgments, the invisible dimensions surrounding the world. I wrote about the fall of the Watchers, the fate of the giants, the great day, and everything was recorded in a book that, for centuries, they tried to erase. But part of it survived, and it has reached you. Now listen carefully. The secret that can change your life is simple and profound. Nothing you live is in vain. Nothing happening around you is random. There is an invisible order guiding everything, an order I saw with my own eyes when I was taken. You are not alone. You never were, and you never will be. If you want me to return and tell more about what I saw in the heights of the heavens, about the angels, the giants, and the eternal laws, say so in the comments. My story continues only if you ask. And if you wish to walk with me, subscribe to the channel now. Because some truths can only be revealed to those who truly want to know. I am Enoch, and I still have much to tell.